In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print balance sheet budget from QuickBooks 2026. We'll walk through where to find the balance sheet, how to open the budget view you'll compare it to, how to make sure the right fiscal year is selected, and finally how to print. Start by signing in to QuickBooks Online. Once you're on the homepage, open the Reports area. In the report categories, look for Company and Financial and choose Balance Sheet Standard. This report lays out what your business owns, what it owes, and the equity position based on the period you're currently viewing in QuickBooks. It's the clean, standard version most organizations use when sharing numbers with leadership or external stakeholders. If you plan to compare actuals to what you budgeted, you'll also want a quick look at the budget itself. From Reports again, open Budgets and Forecasts, then select Budget Overview. This view summarizes the budgeted amounts you entered for your accounts, so you can quickly scan how your plan aligns with the balances on your balance sheet. Keep in mind, your budget needs to have been created in QuickBooks beforehand for this report to display meaningful data. Next, set the fiscal year. In the Budget Overview, choose the fiscal year you want to review so the figures line up with the balance sheet period you're analyzing, then click OK. Selecting the correct year ensures that the numbers you print reflect the intended planning window, especially important if your organization's fiscal year doesn't match the calendar year. When you're ready to produce a hard copy or save a copy for email, use the print option. Click Print, choose your printer, and click Print again to confirm. Your computer's print dialog will handle the rest, letting you pick a physical printer or your system's PDF option if you want a digital file. For the cleanest output, make sure the report is open on your screen exactly as you want it to appear. Headings, dates, and columns before you print. If you want a paper copy of both perspectives, print the balance sheet first, then switch to the budget overview and print that as well using the very same print steps. Label each printout with the period in your notes so anyone reviewing them can immediately understand the time frame being analyzed. That's it. You've opened the balance sheet standard, viewed the budget overview for context, confirmed the right fiscal year, and printed. Following this simple path helps you share a clear snapshot of where the business stands and how it measures against the plan.